Institute. Today I am gonna take interview of two students. This is Mr. Akash Patel and this is Mr. Ayush Shah. Are you ready for interview?
Yes.
Okay. Hello.
Hello.
How are you all?
We are fine.
Okay. Now I am going to start your interview. First, tell me about your introduction.
Hi, my name is Akash Patel and I have completed BE third year from the Gujarat Technological University, which is the SAL Institute of Technology and Engineering Research. At present, I am working in AMC Corporation, which is the UCD department.
Okay.
My name is Ayush Shah. Nowadays I have given the exam of SSC and I have passed it with 83% and now I am going to diploma college in computer engineering faculty.
Okay. Every person must have goals in their life. Then Akash, do you have decided any goals?
Whatever goal I wanted, that I have achieved that.
Okay, can you please tell me something about that goal which you have achieved?
Actually, because in the past I wanted to become a successful business person in my life, but unfortunately it could not be possible because of my financial condition of my house. That's why it could not be possible. Because I am not sorry for that, because I am in good post now, so it has been erased from my life.
Okay, so in which post are you right now?
Actually, I am on junior clerk in UCD department.
What do some people extreme about sports?
Some people enjoy extreme sports and because they are adventurable by nature. Okay, and they get a thrill out of doing and the challenging sports. And some people do it for money, and there is a lot of money achieved such sports.
Okay, do you love to play games?
Yeah, I love to play games.
Okay, which type of games do you like very much?
I like to play like a cricket and kho and that kind of outdoor games. And if I talk about the indoor games like chess, I like to play carom and that kind of things.
Okay, did you used to play games in childhood with your friends in your indoor games, outdoor games?
Yeah, I used to play with my childhood friends, like the games are like that gilli danda and marbles and that kind of things.
Okay. And Ayush, in this lockdown, which type of games do you want to play with your family members?
During lockdown I have played the game on WhatsApp. WhatsApp game it was my sister and my brother has made a game on WhatsApp. He play the audio and we have to find out in that audios all thing and bring out that thing, collect it and so click a photo and then send it. Who will send the first photo and they give points and then at last he gives the number first rank, second rank as like it. And and we have also played housey game during lockdown and we enjoyed a lot during lockdown and also watched very nice movies of Amitabh Bachchan, Rajesh Khanna, etc.
Okay, it was really very interesting. Yes? Okay. Which game did you used to play most in your childhood?
I used to play most in childhood cricket and kabaddi with friends. There is a playground of Kasinath Maidan ground. We used to play cricket at there in morning and in the evening.
Okay. Now your turn. What type of personality does one volunteer have?
Volunteer, as I tell you, that volunteer has a friendly personality, and he is a very easily approachable by the people, and he always has a smile on his face, and he has also very good communication skills in his day.
Okay, do you like to do volunteer work in NGOs or in poor families?
Yeah, I like to help all the poor people, which who people live in EWS houses, and I visit there every time because it is my part of my work.
Okay. Which apps are the most popular in our country? Can
There
you
are
please describe?
There are many kind of apps we have. in this WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter as we use, and Instagram and that kind of apps, and also we like that.
Okay. Ayush, which app do you like very much and which app do you use in your daily routine life?
I use Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp. Nowadays, I have close to use Facebook, but I am using Instagram and WhatsApp. And I have a Clash of Clan named game and WhatsApp in my mobile. I used to play Clash of Clan and using WhatsApp.
Okay. Akash, do you ever switch off your mobile generally?
No, I don't switch off my mobile generally because I have many kind of calls which is used into me. That's why generally I don't use my mobile, but it is switch off by itself. So it happens sometimes.
Okay. Is there any situation when mobile helped you a lot?
Actually, I was be trapped by in a rain, and at the time no one was there with me. So I was I was very tensed at the time, and because of mobile, actually signal was gone at the time, and somehow I got the signal, and I called to my friend, and he came to me, and he saved me.
Okay. Ayush, can you think that we can live our life without mobile?
Without mobile, our life is just imagination. And today's era, there is a mobile. Is everyone has a mobile.
It is undivided part of our life.
Most of people's life is starting with mobile and ending with mobile. When he gets up, first put status good morning and at last sleeping good night.
Okay, Ayush, do you think that we can live without mobile in this era?
In today's era, we can't live without mobile. The most of the people are in our country, which morning starts from the mobile and ends from the mobile. They when they gets up, put status good morning, and at last when he or she go to bed, he or she put the status good night. And today's generation mobile is a very useful device of technology, and we can't stay away from the mobile.
Okay, Akash, have you ever used mobile for reaching your destination, for particular destination?
Actually, I have used my mobile many times for reach my when I used to look for a job in a privately. At the time, I used to use my mobile to reach any kind of areas like in Ahmedabad. I talk to you about Navarongpura, Thaltej, and Sola, and that kind of things where the offices are situated there. And to look for that kind of offices and look for the employment, I used to use mobile, and
Okay.
it used to be useful for me a lot.
Yeah, it is very helpful to us. Okay, now tell me which type of apps do you have in your mobile?
Actually, there are many kind of app in my mobile, like Facebook, WhatsApp, and Instagram, and that kind of apps.
Okay.
Actually, generally I don't play games, and I don't keep any kind of games in my mobile
Okay.
because I am not fond of the games.
Okay, Akash, who is your best friend? Tell me something about your best friend. I want to know about best friend.
Actually, my best friend name is Karan Patel, and I want to tell you something about the Karan. Actually, I had met to Karan in third standard of my 12th standard, third semester on my 12th standard, and unfortunately, we had a quarrel on the classes because I was wandering here and there for pleasant classes because my course had been completed about 70% or 80%. That's why I was feeling very difficult at the time, and I got the class into Karan was studying there, and I met the Karan first time, and he was sitting behind me, and I was sitting at him. He made me friend, and I started going to his house, and he started coming to. Generally, he doesn't go anywhere to others' house because he doesn't like to go here and there, and doesn't want to gossip a lot. And after that, when my engineering started, he helped me financially. He helped me a lot in financially, and after that, our relation started increasing. and I know his all the relatives, and his all the relatives know me very well, and we are just not friends, but we are as like as a brother. But this name, friendship, it is very big thing for me. It is a next level thing for me, and Karan appreciated me a lot at the time, and because of him, I got confidence. And actually, Karan has brought me in IUC Institute, and we started our journey from here. His nature is very helpful, and he always helps me a lot. Actually, he always helps everyone. If someone asks him, please do something for me, he definitely does. And our relation is like that. If I talk about my and Karan's relation, it is just not a relation, but apart from the many things, and apart from the beyond the limits, that kind of relation Karan and I have.
Okay. Now, because of this lockdown, many schools, about every school and institute has started online teaching. So, do you think that some app will helpful to people for learning?
Yeah, there are many kind of app like Zoom app and YouTube. Because of YouTube, many students could study there very professionally and very goodly beyond the lockdown. Okay, and because of that, it didn't care about their marks, because they got also mass promotion. If any student was in 9th standard, sorry, 8th standard, so because of mass promotion he came to 10th standard.
Okay.
So it would be helpful to them, and that's why he got a profit in steadily profit very nicely, and because of that confidence increased a lot.
Okay, Ayush, what do you want to become in your life? You have just completed your 10th standard with good percentage. So, what is your goal? What is your aim? What do you want to become in your life?
When I was in standard 10, I haven't decided my goal. My term goal was to speak English, and I have joined IS Institute with my friends. My friends suggested me to do a English speaking course. It will be very helpful to you, and you will be have a company with us. So I started IS Institute.
And you have completed course very nicely and you are speaking very fluently.
Mm.
Okay.
What have you asked about my
Your
goal?
goal.
When I was in standard 10, I haven't set my goal. Today I am going to speak about my goal. So I have to do computer engineering. So my goal was to be a successful computer engineer in my life. It is my goal.
Okay. And Akash, what kind of people are good to work with?
The most kind of qualities are, I try to look for in my team members, and with a sensibility, sincerity. Actually, I mean to say sincerity with work, but unfortunately I have worked with that kind of people who want only salary and who want only job satisfaction, so I didn't like that, and because of that I hurt a lot.
Okay. Ayush, tell me about your, according to you, what are the good manners? Tell me something about good manners.
Good manners is a part of every person. According to his good manners, a man is how the man is. We can know it, and good manners are that follow that instruction is our good manners, and there are many types of good manners. So follow the traffic rules, wears helmet, and many kinds of good manners.
Okay. Akash, are you fond of car? Yes?
I am very fond of art.
Okay, so which car do you want to buy in future and why?
Actually, I want to buy a Honda City in the future, because its suspension its look is very good, and it is according to me, it is the best car in look. That's why, and I like many features in this car, like power steering and the auto gear and that kind of thing, which is the similar in other car. It would be similar, but I like that car because of that look. It is different from the other car.
Okay, okay. And which type of car will be in future
Like,
according to you?
according to me, the car will be running on the road alternative sources, and in the future we may see the car running is solar power and the biodiesel. Actually, we may see the flying cars.
Okay, and what is your hobby, Akash?
Actually, as I told you that my hobby, I am fond of driving a cars. Actually, I am crazily doing this thing about cars.
Okay, rather than car, what is your hobby? Do you have any other hobbies like reading, dancing, watching movies, traveling, etc.?
Actually, apart from the driving a car, I like to watch movies a lot, and I like to play cricket, and I like to meet my friends and that kind of thing. And like to even it is a apart from that thing, I like to collect information.
Okay, so generally, where do you go to watch movies?
Actually, I watch movie generally on my phone because I don't go to theater because it is not a part of my hobby. Actually, I watch movies on my phone generally and on TV.
Okay, Akash, what is the difference between men's and women's preference on car?
Actually, nowadays the men's preference and the woman preference are disappearing nowadays. Okay, it is hardly can be happen the preference to them.
Okay, nowadays all are same.
Because nowadays all are same, and the men's preference are different, and the women's preference are different because some people like bigger cars and some people like smaller cars, some people like sports car and some people like luxurious car because but fortunately
According to their passion or according to their financial condition,
okay
they
according
want.
to okay according to them their financial condition.
Akash, now I want to know about Mahendra sir.
Actually, Mahendra sir, what to tell about the Mahendra sir? It's just not a teacher, but it is life changer, and he has changed the point out which were the disabled things in my life. So Mahendra sir made me realize that. So you must do like that, and he woke up me, and after my education study, and because of in IUC Institute I was there, and I used not to pay attention to about the sentences, what was the going on there, and which kind of chapters was running there, and
You
what
were
is the
childish at that time.
what was the importance of that kind of chapters. I didn't know all the things, and he made me the pay attention of that kind of chapters, and I got the attention, and you can see me here and where I am sitting here because it is the stage which is the foolish things which can be interrupted by yourself, and these sentences are flowing up from my heart.
Yeah.
So it is I am very thankful to Mahendra sir because this is one sir who has come in my life and who changed my life.
Okay, okay. Now, how was your experience in IUC Institute? Can you please tell me something about your journey of learning English?
Okay, when I made up my mind that to learn English, I was not.
When did you join IUC Institute actually?
Actually, I joined IISc Institute before 1 year
Okay.
in month of March,
Okay, okay.
and I didn't know any importance about the English, and I am nothing. It was nothing good for me, and somehow I joined the IISc Institute on my friend's recommendation, and after that I started doing my course. After that I started knowing the importance of English, and it is the after that I realized that English is the very important language. It has become a universal language, and it is
Yeah.
also even
It is spoken worldwide.
well, okay. English is spoken in all over the world. Some countries have their own language, but English is mostly 70% is spoken in all over the world.
Yeah.
That's why I knew all the things because whatever I'm speaking in front of you, I didn't know anything in the past. So I knew all the things, and after that I got the importance of English language, and I started showing the interest in chapters, and regularly I used to give an exam. Actually, I used to complete 3 papers on one day, and it is very. I am thankful to everyone. So everyone supported me a lot. Actually, when I was giving my exam, everybody admired me. Yeah, you are giving exam in a one day. You completed present tense in a one day.
Yeah.
That's why because as I can give you an example, you because you have taught me
Yeah.
whole year, and because of you I can reach that kind of place.
Okay.
And
Okay, now Ayush, in your word, I want to know about dear Mahendra sir.
What can I say about Mahendra sir? Mahendra sir is a dictionary of English.
Yeah.
He has made me and many students to speak English, and so I can't say much for Mahendra sir. As I know Mahendra sir, he is a very bright star of English, and he is a very motivate person. His personality is amazing. His teaching skill is very nice. He teaches English very nicely. He believes that his work is worship, so that he believes her student as God, and he taught English.
Okay, so how was your journey of learning English in IUC Institute? Can you please tell me something about that
My
part?
journey of learning IUC Institute is really amazing. I have joined IUC Institute in March 2019 with friends, as I have told you. So when I joined IUC Institute, you have taken my inquiry.
Yes.
I like the classes atmosphere. So I have started English speaking course, and I have proud that I am the student of IUC Institute, and the teachers like you and Mahendra sir has taught me English, and today I can speak English very nicely. And our batch was nice. We have studied English with joy, so that kind of things are memorable for me.
We
And
used to mischief a lot in
Uh,
class.
yes, he told us jokes very nicely. So
We
there are
can
lots
never
of
forget that jokes.
that jokes, and we also have to go to on the tour of Ocean Resort. That is also memorable for me, and that was my first
Yeah.
trip
It
for.
was really very amazing.
Yes, we had adventure lot at that time, and it was my first trip. First time I have gone on the trip. Today I can speak English. That is IUC Institutes and yours result.
Okay, thank you. Okay, Akash, you have very nice result and you are speaking very nicely. So our viewers who are watching us right now, so which advice do you want to give them?
actually I would like to prefer all who are watching me, and because Mahendra sir is not just a teacher but he is a life changer, and it would be happened in everyone's life whatever has happened to me. And because I want to tell you about the Mahendra sir teaches us well. He teaches all the chapters very completely and very pleasantly, and as that everybody can understand all the lines or any kind of chapters, which one is the difficult, some there if there is any sentences is different from the other sentences, the Mahendra sir teaches sentences very personally and very fluently. And Mahendra sir used to tell us many kind of jokes, and he teaches us English with fun and joyfully. And it is highly recommended from me to join IUC Institute and make your career bright.
Okay, you both have wonderful result. You all speak very nicely. So thank you so much for coming here. Thank you, Akash. Thank
My
you,
pleasure,
Ayush.
It's my pleasure.
For more videos, please like, share and subscribe our channel. And don't forget to hit the bell icon.